Santissima versus Jello Bacalso. Santissima is your fighter from Sandman Boxing Gym. Jello Bacalso is from Amoy Boxing Gym. Nakita naman in the red corner is Santissima with black trunks and gold trim. His opponent, Bacalso, in the white trunks and black trim. With me is attorney John Yamba of PH Boxing Corner and JC Reyes of Pinoy Fight Exchange. Baliktad pala. Sandman, si Santissima, white trunks and black trim. Bacalso and the black trunks with gold trim.
Maganda yung hair art nitong si Bacalso. Parang may reptile vibe siya ngayon.
Parang yun yung kasunod nung parang terno nung shorts niya. Hopefully that will help him win this fight.
By being slick.
Slick.
Or that's gonna make him an easier target.
As Santissima lands that left hand.
Good control of the center of the ring here by Santissima. Gabriel Santissima is a very young fighter, JC?
Batang-bata talaga tong si Gabriel Santissima.
Yes, the younger brother of former world title challenger Geo Santissima. At itong si Gabriel, his last 4 bouts, 4 wins ended by KO or TKO. So let's see if he can extend that KO streak tonight.
Good and snappy jab there by Santissima. Prompted Bacalso to have that low stance. Bacalso answers with a jab of his own. Now a lead hook with a straight from Bacalso. Both fighters now are trying to find the range. Santissima landed a very clean left straight kanina as he covers up. Good jab there by Santissima.
Of course, Santissima is the stablemate of WBC World Champion Melvin Jerusalem.
Who will be fighting for, who will be defending his belt later sa main event natin.
Mexico's Luis Castillo.
Good body shots from Santissima.
Nasty left hook there by Santissima. Gabriel Santissima smells blood. Kaso kumain siya ng kanang kamay dun.
Itong si Bacalso may gigil talagang bumato ng suntok.
Medyo a lot of loading up sa part ni
ganda nun.
Ni Bacalso. Pero he's landing some clean shots. Medyo maganda yung mga bato ng suntok, maganda yung timing.
Yes.
Final 10 seconds of this round.
Santissima is doing some counter punching.
And the good thing about Santissima is that he's mixing up his punches to the body. Medyo committed siya dun sa body shots niya. Let's see.
Medyo going towards Bacalso's way in terms of the exchanges.
As Santissima lands that left hand.
Kaya si Bacalso, when he throws punches, although may gigil, he makes sure that it lands. Kasi may iba nagigil, bato lang ng suntok Hindi mo alam kung tatama o hindi siya, hindi. With intentions.
Double jab and an uppercut there by Santissima. Yan, tulad ng sinabi ni JC, nag-aabang ng magandang timing tun si Bacalso as he unleashed a 3-punch combination. Now he goes back to that jab. Kaso kumain din siya ng jab on his way out from Santissima.
Beautiful stiff jab coming from Santissima. Caught Bacalso's attention definitely. Good right hand from Santissima.
Ooh, that was a beautiful uppercut by Santissima, prompting Bacalso to really get inside and go for a clinch. Kaso Santissima wasn't allowing him to do that. A little bit of holding on the head there by Bacalso, trying to buy time. However, kumain na naman siya ng dalawang hook sa muka. Maganda yung timing ni Gabriel doon. He saw that left hand was down. He snuck in that right hook.
Good left hand again from Santissima.
Kaya na pa pumapasok yung hook straight na yun.
Medyo mababa din kasi yung depensa nito ni Bacalso. He's starting to get a little careless.
Then after he throws the straight, if Bacalso leans forward, nag-set up na ng uppercut si Gabriel dun. Let's see kung makukuha niya yung... If he can get the same timing.
Good right hand from
My
Gabriel
goodness.
Santissima. Perfectly timed.
Oh!
Never hook with a hooker, baby.
Beautiful.
That was...
Yun pare.
Teka lang.
Wow.
How many check hooks have we seen tonight, John?
And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. The referee has seen enough.
Bacalso looks shocked. As we are.
Yes, we are.
What about that check hook, John? Another check hook
Check
na nagpabagsak.
Check hook, checkmate.
Diba?
I guess